Stop! Don't go to Puerto Rico until you watch this. You're about to pay $40 for a meal that costs locals only $10. Most tourists get trapped in Old San Juan and never see the real island. I'm about to show you where the gems are hidden. Old San Juan is beautiful, but it's a tourist trap paradise. The restaurants with the English menus and happy hour signs? Avoid them. They're serving frozen mofongo at premium prices. If you want the real taste of Puerto Rico, we need to leave the city and head into the mountains. Welcome to Guavate, also known as the Pork Highway. This is where Puerto Ricans come to eat on the weekends. No fancy tables, just the legendary Lechon, slow-roasted whole pig over an open fire. It's crispy, it's juicy, and it's a fraction of the city prices. This isn't just food, it's a party. Now, let's talk about mofongo. If it's served in a plastic bowl in a resort, it's a scam. Look for the small roadside chinchorros. That's where you get handmade plantains mashed with fresh garlic and pork cracklings. And that $15 piña colada at your hotel? Grab one from a street vendor for $5. It's fresher, colder, and supports the locals. Puerto Rico isn't expensive, you're just eating in the wrong places. Follow the music, find the crowds, and always ask for the menu del dia. If you want more travel survival guides like this, check out my Belgrade and Sarajevo videos to see where else I've been. Don't forget to subscribe for the next stop.